Yeah, let's get this party started. Let's do it. So we're going to start off with the left hand, and the left hand has this shape here, FCF. This shape here is a really, really important shape to learn. It's the first note, the fifth note, and the eighth note, or the octave of the key that we're in. Okay, this shape is used throughout the entire songbook, so I would highly recommend that you learn how to play this shape in all 12 keys. It's pretty easy to do. If I was doing it down here, I'll do it up here. C, D. This is a really, really, really important shape. I call it a 1-5 octave, so if I ever refer to it as 1-5 octave, you know what I'm talking about. It's all very easy there. It stays the same. Just doing the white keys to start off with. The only exception is B. Okay, B has got the F sharp in it. F sharp is the fifth note of the B major scale. Okay, so be careful of that one there. A is normal, G is normal, F, as in like white, 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 white. Okay, good shapes to learn. With the black keys, it's black, black, black on D flat, E flat, F sharp or G flat, A flat, G sharp. Okay, B flat, there's an exception here. It's B flat, F, B flat there. So the only major exceptions outside of like white, white, white or black, black, black is B, B, F sharp, B, white, black, white, or B flat, which is black, white, black. Otherwise, it'll either be all white keys or all black keys. So definitely practice that. You can do it chromatically as well, like I'm doing here. I'm sort of putting a little bit of tension to my hand just to keep that shape pretty similar. Not too much tension, but yeah, just enough. Practice that. That's a great exercise. We're going to be using that throughout the entire songbook. So it comes up very, very, very frequently. So definitely learn that. All right, cool. So let's get into it. We're going to start from bar 2. You'll see there's like a double bar line here that I've put in, and that kind of just means the beginning of a section. So this first bar here is kind of like a little bit of an introduction to the intro. It's like a fade-in situation. So yeah, we're going to start off with the A, which I'm sort of calling the first bar almost. It then goes down to an F, so down by 2 white notes to the F, and then in bar number 4 goes down to the E, and then it goes back up to the F in bar 5. Okay, so you've got A, F, E, F. That's really, really important to learn. This is the same progression in the verse as well. It's kind of like the main theme of Daydreaming is this progression here. A, F, E, F. All right. So basically what happens with the left hand is it does that. It actually does it a second time. Okay, but the second time, instead of coming back up to the F, it actually goes down to the D. Okay, so we've got A, F, E, F. By the way, we're going to be breaking this down and sort of chunking this together, and we're going to do the polyrhythm and play it all together in a second, but this is just the way that I'm thinking about it. All right, so A, F, E, F, that's the first time. Second time round, which you can also see with the colours, by the way, as well. Like if you look at that sort of olivey green colour in the left hand of bar 2, then goes to red, then to this purple blue thing, and then back to the red, and then it does it again in bar 6. Olive green, red, down to the E, which is the bluey purple situation, and then this is the one where it goes down to the D. After that D, it comes up to a G. Alright, let's just go through that left hand again. So A, F, E, F. Do it again. A, F, E. Instead of coming back up to the F, down to the D, and then you finish on a G. That's the left hand for the entire first page. Alright, so you can learn that. Just as these block shapes. down to the D, then back up to the G. Alright, so that's the left hand. With the right hand, the first shape here is